Hello and welcome back to another episode right here on the Bearded Hobby Homestead. Today I'm taking upon myself to finish this thing finally. Now the initial plan on this wood splitter that I'm building was for this threaded rod to spin down quickly and crush into a stump that would be standing here and then split it into 4 pieces. However, it didn't go as I planned. So today I'll be replacing this with a shaft that can just fall up and down on itself and a blade on top that will take a big hammer or a sledgehammer to just force it through and then make it a bit more labor intensive in terms of what you have to do to get this down. So I'll be cutting off most of this from the front. This piece will be removed, moving this to a new system, and so on and so forth, and such and things and stuff. So let me get into it, and when this is all finished and done, we will test it. So till then, enjoy the music, and if you see me doing something wrong, like protective gear, please forgive me. I sometimes do forget to use it. Not intentionally, of course, but I ramble, I digress, I talk too much. On with the build, shall we? Okay, so it seemed like forever, probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I don't know. This slidey bit might work better. Now this is a awkwardly cut, awkwardly standing, knotted piece of wood that I'm going to try an attempt to split. I think if I had a better cut piece, more straight and level, that it will go better. And yes, I'm making an excuse before it fails, and if it doesn't fail, it's stronger than I thought. So let's try it. Yeah, see, the angle in which it stands makes the split a bit more difficult. So I'm going to whip out the chainsaw, cut off a piece, more manageable, and try again. You can see it's a bit smoky in here. Chainsaw works well. So I cut this a bit more even and flat. Get this in the middle. And let's try this again, shall we? I wouldn't call this a fail. The wood is still slightly wet. It was cut less than 3 days, 4 or 5 days ago. Less than a week ago. It's been lying in the shade. My axe head might not be sharp enough. It definitely works, apart from the splitting part. Nothing broke off from the welding. Nothing's bending. But yeah. I want to put a challenge out there. All of my other YouTube friends, I want you to make this thing and improve on it. And let's call it collaboration. This is the prototype, and I'm hoping someone else out there can tell me what went wrong, make something better. I don't know. Who's up for it? Hoss? Jeff? Homestead Aquarius? Arkansas Woodcutter? Which one of you guys, or girls, think you can do better? I challenge you, seeing as I failed. So, yes. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who subscribed. And see you next time, right here on the Bearded Hobby Homestead.